To check your profit on Robinhood, you can utilize several features within the app. Account Overview. Upon logging into the Robinhood app, your main dashboard displays your total account value, including total account value, the current value of all your holdings, day change, the profit or loss for the current trading day, all-time change, your total profit or loss since opening your account. These figures provide a snapshot of your overall performance. Individual asset performance. To assess the performance of specific investments, navigate to the asset in your portfolio. Tap on the asset to view its detail page. Here you will find average cost, the average price at which you purchased the asset, market value, the current market value of your holdings, unrealized profit or loss, the difference between your average cost and the current market value, indicating potential profit or loss if sold at current prices, profit and loss chart. For options trading, Robinhood offers a P&L chart. Go to the options position in your portfolio. Tap on the position to view its details. Select the P&L chart to visualize potential profits or losses at different price points and expiration dates. This chart helps in understanding the risk and reward profile of your option strategies. Reports and statements. For detailed profit and loss statements, open the Robinhood app. Tap on the account icon. Navigate to Statements and History. Select Tax Documents or Account Statements to view. Realized gains or losses. Profit or loss from assets sold. Unrealized gains or losses. Potential profit or loss from assets still held. Transaction history. A record of all your transactions.